Okay, so step number one is you have to set up a Cardano wallet. For us, we're going to be using the Nami wallet. The reason we're going to do so is because they have a nice Chrome extension tool that makes it easier to connect your wallet to marketplaces just like JPEG Store. So let's go right into it. What you're going to want to do is go to namiwallet.io. There you can click on the extension that you want to use. For us, it's going to be Chrome. So what you're going to do is click on that Chrome extension. And then once you do so, you are going to set up your wallet. So we're going to download that Chrome extension. And again, this is a great wallet. You can easily see your NFTs, and I'll show you how to do all of that and more. Okay, so our Nami wallet has been added to Chrome. In the top right here, if you click on this extensions, you're gonna see all the different wallets. So let's click on the Nami wallet here. Now you're gonna wanna have a pen and a pad ready so that you can write down your recovery seed phrase. What this will do is allow you to regenerate your wallet, and you can get access to your tokens, your NFTs, if you ever lose your phone or for whatever reason it's just not updating. If you've already set up a wallet and you just need to get access to your coins and you have your 12-word phrase, here's an example. We're going to blur it out of a phantom wallet. And what we could do, for example, is click on import. Once you do that, you will click accept. So what you will do is choose the 15 or 24-word seed phrase, and then that will restore your wallet. So you just put in your words in order. For us, what we're going to do is create a brand new wallet to show you step by step how to do all of this. Let's click on new wallet. We're going to hit I accept. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. As you can see, it says seed phrase. What we're going to do is write Nami wallet, and I'll just put new. So once we get the wallet set up, we're going to rename it. I'm going to write Nami wallet new. Maybe put your name or what you're using the wallet for. So we're creating this video for educational purposes only. So there's a couple things I want to go over. Number one, I'm blurring out the words. You will see the words when you're setting up your wallet. Maybe you even have to hover over the words. The reason I'm doing that is because if somebody else gets access to these words, they can restore the wallet and get access to my cryptos. So this is a way that you can own your private key. So these words will regenerate your wallet. They will restore your private keys. So never share these words with anybody. And let's start out with the first step. I'm going to write down every word on the piece of paper, and we'll do that together. It's very important when you're writing down your words to take your time and spell everything out properly. You never want to be in a position where you, for one, you lose your backup, but you also write the word improperly or you get things out of order. You don't want to do that. Take your time. Okay, so we wrote down our 24 words. That was kind of exhausting, but we got to keep things going. What you're going to do is hit this check. I've stored the seed phrase in a secure place. I'll do that later. What we're going to do is fill out the blank spots. So it wants us to write down the word that we have on our piece of paper. So word 10, share this with nobody. So now we're going to hit next, and then we're going to create our account. So we're going to create our account name. So here I'll write Nami wallet new. That's for me to identify the wallet. Then we're going to put in a password. So now we put in a password and we have successfully created our wallet. Perfect. So now if we go to our Chrome extension, we click on Nami, boom, we have a wallet. So now we can move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to add Cardano to your wallet. And we're gonna have to do one particular thing specifically for the Nami wallet, and that's gonna be to add collateral. So how do you add Cardano to the wallet? Well, what you're gonna do is copy the public address, and that's gonna be where you send coins from one wallet to another. So we're gonna click on receive, and this is going to be our public key. So when we send coins to this address, it will hit the public key, then it will be stored on the private keys inside the wallet. If you're somebody that doesn't own any Cardano or have never bought any cryptos, I want to give you a few different methods that I suggest you use to acquire some more ADA. The first method I would recommend is to download the Crypto.com app. From my experience, the Crypto.com app is a great way to buy some Cardano or Bitcoin or other altcoins if that's what you're looking to do. After you get yourself set up with the account, you finish your verifications. It may take a day or two for this to process. Then what you can do is send an e-transfer to your fiat account. Once your money is in there, then what you can do is buy different cryptos. One important note is to make sure that you copy and paste your account number that it gives you. So what you're going to do is copy and paste that into the message when you're sending out your e-transfer. That's what I do as a Canadian. For you, it may be different if you're in the States or in a different country. I'm not a huge fan of keeping money on online exchanges like your crypto assets, but it's an easy way to acquire different coins. So if you are somebody who has a Binance account, a Coinbase, maybe you are using a Wealthsimple app, you can buy cryptos there and then send funds to your address. The third way, and my favorite way, is if you have a hardware wallet. Now with the Trezor Model T, I'm a big fan of this wallet for many reasons, but now with the Trezor Suite, you can buy Cardano directly to your wallet. So that's going to be the best way. Then from there, you can send coins over here to your wallet. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to send coins from the wallet that I already have, and I'll send some to this address. So let's do that right now. A hot wallet is referred to a crypto wallet that is generally connected to the internet where your funds can be easily accessed. Whereas a cold storage option like a hardware wallet, Trezor Model T, that's where your cryptos are held offline, hence cold storage. So what we're gonna do is go back to our Nami. We are gonna go to our receive. That's going to be our public address. So we're gonna copy that. We are gonna go to send on my Yoroi where I have some Cardano, and we're going to paste that address, and it ends in D8F3, and you're always gonna see a check mark. So what we're gonna do is click on Cardano. Here we have other NFTs, but we don't wanna send any of those or any ADA handles. So we'll send a little bit of Cardano to that address. We'll send 25 coins. Again, this is just for educational purposes. We're not here to make any crazy investments. So that's what we're doing here. Now it's important to make sure that you do this properly. We're gonna click on custom amount. You do not wanna send all tokens, because if you send all your tokens to that address, everything will go there. So our estimated fee is 0.17. You're sending 25.17. We're gonna send using Trezor. What I'm gonna do now is confirm with my device. So again, the beautiful thing about a hardware wallet is that I have to accept this transaction with my physical device. So if somebody gets access to my Nami wallet, they could just send funds away to their own. While for me, you have to have this physical device and know the PIN. So I just confirmed that transaction. Now that transaction is going to go through, and we'll see how long it takes to get our ADA. I don't think it will take very long. I've been pretty happy with Cardano, so we'll keep an eye on this. All right, so that took about 10-15 seconds, and we received our Cardano. All right, so next we will connect our wallet to Alienpeaceforce.com. That's going to be Alienpeaceforce.com. So the website may look a little bit different depending on when you are watching this video, but currently at this time, this is what it looks like on my iMac. So really cool. We have these awesome designs, and again, 256 unique traits. This is the best project on Cardano. So let's go to the top left, and here you will see connect. So once we click that, you will get different options to connect your wallet. Again, this may look a little bit different depending on when you're watching it. So you have different wallet options. For us, we set up a Nami. In my opinion, it's the easiest, one of the most functional smart contract based Cardano wallets. We will click on Nami, and there we go. We are now connected. So if we go to the top right, we will click on our Nami wallet. So this is going to be a different wallet that I have, just to show you that any Nami wallet will work. So here you can disconnect, or you can click on the mint button. So when you're ready to mint, that's how you're going to be ready. And one important thing to note is that you want to make sure that you have your collateral set in your wallet. So go to the top right, click here on collateral. If you do not set your collateral, meaning locking up 5 Cardano, you may not be able to mint and do different transactions. So if you're having any issues, make sure that you have collateral set. So again, the top right, click on your account and then click on collateral, and we're going to keep ours in there. So that is how you set up a Nami wallet. That's how you get funds in your wallet, and that's how you connect to Alienpeaceforce.com. Have a great day. We will see you in the next one.